JingShan Park. Located at the center of Beijing, it's a beautiful royal landscape garden with an area of 57 hectares. Opened in 1928 to the public, rebuilt and renovated in 1949. It's where visitors can take a bird-eye view of the Forbidden City and the city itself.
Yeah, so right now I'm going to view the Forbidden City, but in order to do that, I'll have to climb on top of this hill, that part there. Up. Yeah. So, well, I'm tired. I've been walking since Chairman, walked around, went to Putong Street. From there I went to Tiananmen Square. I walked from Tiananmen Square till JingShan Park. Yeah. So let me just show you.
What if I go stronger? What if I get higher? What if I start doing things I know I will regret? I will make my own way, I will not surrender. I will do my best until I get put under. What if I go stronger? 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 What if I go stronger?